Any mention?
May
Yes.
please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28, Your Lordship. We are for the petitioner, Your Lordship. The conducting counsel is out of station. Kindly,
Who's the other side?
Sir Mozika,
Any objection?
1
Yes.
week time may be granted, Your Lordship. 1 week time.
1 week.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, that will be all right. Let's say the
Oblige, Your
request
Lordship.
of the petitioner. Listen it after a week. Yes.
May it please Your Lordship. My Lord, item number 25, my Lord. Lordship, this matter was led by Lordship in his capacity. My Lord has appeared in this matter
So this
as
cannot
Additional
be.
Advocate General, my Lord.
Okay. This is matter before any other bench without me, right? With bracket my name. Okay. Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26 and 27, Your Lordship. This matter is still pending before the Apex Court, Your Lordship.
What are these matters?
My Lord, this is regarding promotion, my Lord. Promotion. Enforcement Inspector, my Lord, in the Transport Department. And the matter has been challenged before the Supreme Court also, my Lord, which is still pending.
So this will be dependent upon the outcome.
It will
Matter
affect, my
is
Lord, it will affect this matter, my Lord.
So was it mentioned before the court?
My Lord, yes, there is an order also.
That is already
Yes,
recorded.
we have mentioned.
So we can say that the connected matter pending before the Apex
My
Court.
Lord.
Yes, it is submitted by the learned counsel for appearing with the parties. That the connected matter pending before the Apex Court is yet to be disposed of.
My Lord, I'm for the state respondents here. Mr. Karim is also.
He has a submission. This is matter when?
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
After 3 weeks.
My Lord.
When this Apex Court matter is likely to come up?
I'm not aware, Your Lordship.
In the list matter after 4 weeks. Yes.
Yeah, please, Lordship, back to mention item number 29, Lordship.
Yes.
This matter may come up after 3 weeks, Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes. This is the request made on behalf of the petitioner. This is matter after 3 weeks.
Oblige, Lordship.
Item number 1. Two.
Yes, Mr. Singh.
My Lord, this matter is connected to one title suit which was pending in the court at Ampati, Southwest Garhills. During the pendency, my Lord, the application was made by the defendant to allow him to amend the written statement, which was allowed.
This is a civil division.
Yes, my Lord.
This is before this court.
Yes, my Lord.
What is now? There's a change. Civil division will come. Okay. Now civil division is
Yes.
stated in this court.
Yes, my Lord.
There's a change in the roster.
Yes, I have not seen the roster. Maybe.
This, you have not been informed by your juniors. Anyway, yes.
So, my Lord, the application was made for amendment of the written statement, which was allowed. And after the amendment of the
Written statement.
yes, my Lord. Yes, sir. And it was allowed by the learned trial court. Thereafter,
You were defendant or plaintiff?
defendant. So then the defendant suggested two issues, my Lord, to be added in the issues already framed, my Lord. The issues
After the amendment.
after the amendment, my Lord.
The amendment was made after the issues were framed.
Yes. To add another two more issues, my Lord.
So
And that written statement amendment was allowed, my Lord, by the court. And then we suggested again, after that amendment, that these two issues may be allowed to be added there.
Now, amendment of written statement.
Written
That is it without a plain being amended?
yes.
Can it be done?
By the way, it was allowed, my lord. Now it is. One is aggrieved.
That is very. This court has never come across such a situation where written statement was allowed to be amended.
However, my lord, at page 27, my lord, those two issues are.
Anyway, that is the fact. The matter is basically with regard to framing of additional issues.
Additional issues, my lord.
Now, suggested issues were submitted by the parties.
Yes. Our parties.
Now,
Any issue.
then thereafter issues are settled.
Yes, my lord.
The court has
Yes, earlier.
framed issues.
Yes. Then these two issues are to be added now, as prayed for by the defendant.
Even without plain being amended, you have a right to file an application for this thing.
Yes. So this was done.
Yes.
But the court did not allow that additional issues to be added in the already in the list of the lead. But at page 27, at 20, paragraph 23.
Page 27.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The petitioner defendant proposed to add the following issues. Number one, whether the suit is maintainable under the law and fact. And number two, whether the suit is maintainable under the Meghalaya Land and Revenue Regulation as well as under the Specific Relief Act.
Number 2 is covered by issue number 1.
Yes, but that issue number 1 was not allowed. Issue number 2 was allowed partially only to the extent of Meghalaya Land Transfer and Regulation. So if it is covered, but it is not allowed, that is the problem. Only if this could be added.
I do not know. See, issue number 1 and 2. If issue number 1 is allowed,
Yes.
2 is not held required.
It's right, but he rejected whether the suit is maintained under the law and fact. If this is allowed,
Yeah, that will cover up the second issue.
yes, my lord. So if this is allowed, then it's okay.
First one was not allowed.
Not allowed.
Second one
half was allowed to the extent of land revenue regulation.
Other side, notice will go
Or it may be disposed of, my lord, that
without hearing the other side.
because further he said, my lord, if I am allowed to read, my lord, prayer of the at 27, paragraph 27, my lord. The issue of law and fact is a broad statement without being specific as to which particular fact or law is intended to operate in this instant case to make the suit non-maintainable. The prayer of the petitioner is vague and too generic, and the trial court cannot be expected to traverse through every law of the country and come out with relevant fact and provision of such laws to fit in the case of suit petitioner's stand. The parties must be so particular with regards to the issue which are necessary for determination of particular question of law and fact. So he says too generic, my lord.
Let notice go, Mr. Siddiqui. We will not pass any order without hearing the other side.
But my lord, in the meantime, the proceeding will have to be stopped. Otherwise,
What is the stage of the proceeding?
evidence will start now, and it can be disposed of with first hearing only. A small point is important.
Parties are from which place?
From South Garhwal, Mahendraganj.
That suit is about what?
Yes, my lord.
Suit is what is the subject matter of the suit?
Property, ownership.
So why this thing? Property means this is a title dispute between
Title
the
dispute is between the parties. Yes, my lord.
But even if additional issues are framed,
Yes, my lord.
witness can be examined on that. They can be recalled. You do not have to stay the suit, proceeding of the suit.
Sure, sure.
Heard Mr. A. Siddiqui, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Issue notice returnable in 3 weeks. How many respondents are there?
Only one.
The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent, upon the sole respondent, within 2 days. List after 3 weeks.
Item number 3.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, this revision is against the impugn order dated to...
This is also civil revision.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, this revision is against the impugn order dated 21/11/2024, my Lord, passed by the learned Assistant District Judge, my Lord. My Lord,
What is the order?
page number 86, my Lord. Last page, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, the genesis of the case is that, my Lord, the respondent has filed a eviction suit against the petitioner, my Lord, and the petitioner have entered appearance on 30/8/2024, my Lord, and subsequently the date were fixed for filing of the WS, my Lord. But, my Lord, on the date when the order was passed, Your Lord, 90 days period has not been yet over, my Lord, and our written statement has been closed.
Yes. According to you, when the 90 days?
27/11/2024, my Lord.
So it was past 6 days before.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, Mr. Gurung, is it correct? Oh, Mr. Thawa. Yes. You're not there. The court thought because of the query you are running away. Anyway, then we'll issue notice.
My Lord.
Hide. MS.
E-Guru.
Hide a counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice. Returnable in 3 weeks. How many respondents are there?
Single respondent, my Lord.
The same order like this. You take
Okay.
steps within 2 days.
Okay.
You come up with this.
Publish, my Lord.
Item number 4.
Your Lordship, as the conducting counsel is out of station, kindly 1 week time may be granted, Your Lordship. As the brief is not with
Just
us.
after 1 week, as prescribed by the learned counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship, there's a private respondent. Lordship, private respondent steps might be taken.
See, we are the notice is yet to be issued. It will come after a week.
Obliged, my lords. Deeply obliged.
Item number 5.
Yes, please, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Kiran.
Lordship, I'm filing this one for criminal petition for quashing the FIR dated 1/2022, Your Lordship, and they charge it. Here, what happened, Your Lordship? Before there's a dispute, there's a burial ground, Your Lordship. Then there's a boundary dispute between the village and the Senkhasi, Your Lordship. Senkhasi, the small port from Boy. Then what happened, Your Lordship? Now they have settled. The issue has settled. A compromise has been filed, Your Lordship. This issue is purely a civil case, Your Lordship.
What is the offence involved? Under what section of law?
This one is section 34 IPC 447 criminal trespass and 153A, Lordship. This only one section 153A. It's non-common.
House trespass or something like this. Is it trespassing?
No, trespassing is because they've built
the charges. We are not
yes,
going
yes.
into the merits.
Yes, yes.
So now matter has been settled.
It's settled, Lordship. Now they have the.
So why this? It is not compoundable.
This 153A is not compoundable, Lordship. So, Your Lordship, the compromise agreement is at page 18, Your Lordship, translate copy.
Yes, Lordship. Notice needs to go to the respondent number
You
4.
have to take instruction also. You also take instruction.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, has Mr. Karim, London Council, preparing for the. How many? There are 2 petitioners.
Yes, Lordship.
So dispute is between petitioners and the respondent number 4.
Number 4, Lordship.
London Council for the petitioners. Issue notice returnable in 3 weeks. Mr. Thava appears for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Stop. The petitioner shall take step for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 within 2 weeks. Within 2 days, not 2 weeks, within 2 days. Least after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
All right.
Item number 6.
Yes. No one is there.
No, is there?
None appears for the petitioner. List after 1 week. List after.
Item number 6.
Huh? Yes. So
Your Lordship, we are seeking for 1 week's time because the petitioner is in
the
three
court has
court.
passed order saying that no one is there. Matter will come after a week.
All right. Obliged.
None appears. for the
Reply.
petitioner.
Item number 7.
Yes. Matter is pending before apex court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So again it will come up after 6 weeks.
Yes.
These matters are not disposed of till now
No.
before the apex court.
Your Lordship, as per my instructions, judgment is reserved in this matter. Your Lordship.
It's reserved, but then yet it means that is not yet disposed of.
Please, Your Lordship, I'm appearing in item number 17. It's connected matter.
It's all right. We'll. How many matters are connected matters here?
Item number 4 and 7.
And then same order will cover all the cases. Mr. Jha?
Yes, ma'am. 22.
So it is it correct that matter is hard and this is reserved for judgment?
Reserved for the judgment. But
So we can record it.
My lord, that's yet to be disposed.
Unsafe. Eh? The Learned Council. It is submitted by the. It is submitted on behalf of the parties that the connected matter pending before the apex court is yet to be disposed of. In view of the submission, this is matter after 6 weeks. All how many which items? This will be just give her. You know the items. Which this order will cover up which items? Which items? Item number.
Appearing in item number 17.
7th, then the Your Lordship, 16th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th,
Item number 4.
20, 21, 22.
So 16 to 22 and 7.
Yes, Your Lordship.
7, 16 to 22.
Item number 4, Your Honor.
Item number?
4.
Lordship, 8 is Pradyuman K. Bora.
Wait, we are not on 8. Item 7 and 16 to
22.
22. Yes. Just record the name of the councils, respective name of the councils, and then same order. Okay. Yes.
Item number 8.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm appearing
My
on
lords.
bonded number 2 and 3.
It is
I'm
pending
appearing for the
what?
state, my lords.
Your Lordship,
Okay, 2
can
and
we
3.
grant another 3 weeks time? We can file a affidavit.
For 2 and 3, you are
2 and 3, Your Lordship.
is it? All right.
Objection, Your Lordship.
The state won't be filing affidavits, my lords.
Yes, that has already been recorded, I think.
All right, my
Been
lords.
recorded. Yes, MSD Modi. Learning Council appearing for the response number 2 and 3. Price for and granted. Further?
For 3 weeks time, Your Lordship.
Further 3 weeks time.
As well as respondent number 4, Your Lordship, I'm praying for to 2 weeks.
Wait, respondent number 4 on the earlier occasion. Okay, okay, okay. You just say Miss MS D Mauri. You're D Mauri.
Irani.
A Rani. MS A Rani, London Council applying for the respondent number 2 entry. Praise for grant of further time for filing an objection in the matter. Similarly, Mr. S.M. Maja, London Council applying for the respondent number 4 has also prayed for grant of further time. Step. The London Council applying for the petitioner has no objection. Prayers allowed. List after 3 weeks.
Obliged, my lords.
Item number 9.
Yes, paper book.
Paper book, ma'am.
Who is for the appellant? Mr.
Done.
Yes.
Earlier, Lordship, the delay has been gone down, and now it's for admission of this appeal.
No, record.
Yes,
LC record.
LC record.
So what is to be
Let the
done now?
paper book be prepared, Lordship.
Paper book.
Paper book. So this is a legal aid matter, so
Legal aid
registry prepares the paper book.
Okay. The official dated 21/1/2024 indicates that the trial court record has arrived. The registry to prepare then there is to prepare a paper book by incorporating all the necessary materials. When? 4 weeks?
Lordship, 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Stop. List is matter after 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Item number 11.
There's some missing. Yes.
My lord, we have taken steps, my lord, but service is not complete.
So what is to be done?
My lord, we'll take lots of permits us to take fresh steps on it. That's one. Or
The office note dated 24/1/2025 indicates the service report upon the respondent number 2 has not yet been received. The learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner prays for allowing learned senior counsel prays for allowing the petitioner to just say Dr. Majika, learned senior counsel prays for allowing the petitioner to take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number
2.
Steps to be taken within 2 days. List is met after 3 weeks.
The interim order can
before that, just say Mr. Khan is present on behalf of Mr. Khan, senior VP. The memory is fading.
After vacation, what has to
Not after vacation. Once it is rusted, it is. So list after 3 weeks.
The interim order can leave.
There is an interim order.
There is an interim order. The second last parameter.
It was still returnable date.
Still returnable date. So
the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the returnable date.
Well.
But this is a doctor's case.
Doctor's case.
Doctor's.
But in fact, the doctor has received appointment for AIMS director.
So this matter has become
it's become more serious.
More serious.
Yes.
30.
AIMS Karnataka, new AIMS.
Yes.
In this case, Your Lordship, the petitioner is supposed to take steps on the respondent number 2, the complainant.
Okay. Okay, and then what is your prayer then?
So when we allowed to file my objection.
She was the complainant. She is actually the complainant.
Yes. Mr. Arkhatram. Lord Council has entered appearance of respondent number 2 today and prays for grant of 3 weeks time for filing an objection in the matter. Prayer allowed. List after 3 weeks. Before that, you just say Mr. Vansuet.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned Counsel petitioner for the petitioner and MST Yangi Learned AG. Mr. Sensei is present on behalf of the petitioner and MST Yangi Learned AG is present on behalf of the state respondent number 1.
1 year.
Then you will say Mr. So-and-so has entered appearance. Okay.
Item number 14.
Yes.
As per the last order, the respondents are to take some instruction in this matter. More specifically, I think
What is the matter about?
This is regarding that quashing of the GR case, Your Lordship,
Your
which is
Lordship.
pending before the judicial magistrate.
There is no private respondent here.
Private, we've made them parties as 2, 3, and 4.
And in the meantime, they
Yes,
have
already. So you have filed your objection, no?
We've entered into a compromise agreement.
Oh, you have.
So we've settled.
So this is item number
14.
item number 14, Your Lordship. 14, sir. Actually, this is the second round of litigation, Your Lordship. They had withdrawn the first case for quashing and then filed this after having paid fine in that case under Section 181 of the Motor
So we'll take
Vehicles
it up
Act.
for hearing then.
We'll take it up for hearing on the next date, Your Lordship.
You have obtained your instruction.
More or less, Your Lordship.
You know instruction is needed for you. You have your instruction.
We have instructions.
Yes. The Learned Counsel helping with the parties submit. So the matter is ready for hearing. This is matter for hearing. When?
Sure, let it be next week, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
So because the trial also is still going on before the no stay is there. So that's why I'm only pressing, because I'm not pressing for any stay. But
I
if the
don't think
matter
the
may
date
be,
is it the date, is the date be fixed any time
yes,
before
next week
the,
itself.
so we'll see, Your Lordship.
It'll be 1 week, Your Lordship.
Let it be 1 week, we'll see, Your Lordship.
This is matter for after a week. Yes.
Item number
Obliged.
15.
Obliged.
15.
Please, Lordship, we have already taken the steps for respondent number 2.
Has whether service report has come or not?
It has
Yes,
come.
I'm for respond. Yes, Your Lordship, I'm present for the respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2, you will enter appearance today.
Yes.
What is the matter about here? This is also quashing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you have any objection?
No, yeah. No, Your Lordship.
This is what case is this? What it is involving what crime?
It's a forging the signature in documents.
It's a forgery.
Yes. Yes.
Can it be compromised?
Yes, we have already come to the settlement, Lordship. We have already come to the settlement, Lordship.
But then can a case of forgery be settled? Cannot.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Anyway, we'll just see. We'll list it for then. What do you want? You want it for hearing?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We have to see whether it is private, as a private consequence or public.
Your Lordship, in this this case is about in this instant case is about the forging of the land of given within the family members, Your Lordship. That's why we come to come into compromise.
Within the family members.
Yes.
So there is the dispute is between the family members.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So the person who wanted to deprive other has forged the document in his name
It's the
to
respondent.
procure the entire property. Anyway, we'll have it for hearing then.
3 weeks may be given, Lordship.
3 weeks. Miss, just say, MS so and so is present on behalf of the petitioner. Mr. Gurung Learned G is present on behalf of the state respondent. On respondent number 1, isn't it? 1. Then you write MS. What's your name?
Encermang.
Enters appearance on behalf of the respondent number 2. Stop. The parties, the Learned Counsel is paying for the parties submit that the matter is ready for hearing. Stop. Accordingly, this is matter for hearing after 3 weeks. Or do not say accordingly, you just say straight for this is matter for hearing after 3 weeks. Yes.
Hearing item number 23.
Nobody is there for the petitioner.
My apologies.
Yes, Mr.
My
You were
lords,
there.
this is a matter where, my lords, the primary grievance of the petitioners is concerning, my lords, a single tender bid being settled in favor of the respondents. My lords, however, there is another connected matter, my lords, which is there before the division bench.
Yes, that is what has been recorded in the previous one.
Lordships. But this matter was segregated, my lords, from the division bench and then remanded before this learned single judge, my lords, to be adjudicated separately.
Why
I'll
it was
just play-
segregated?
Well, issue is here is with regard to settlement of the tender. There is with regard to the vagaries of the rules, my lords. And the entire policy of my lords creating the super bond.
So whether the outcome of the division bench will have a bearing here?
And so far as this matter is concerned, I don't think so, my lords. Here the issue is that whether a single tender could have been.
Order it has been recorded. And that is also recorded on the basis of the submission advanced by
the petitioners, my lords. I'll just draw your lordship's attention to, my lords, the order of the division bench.
No, but then what happens to the order recorded by single bench?
This order.
It is already saying, you see, there is no other option. Just see the last order.
I've seen, my lords. I've seen.
So that
Let it come up after the division bench.
we'll just say, we'll say the parties is better. Or shall we say it is only your submission?
The lordships
the council looking at the parties submit that the connected matter pending before the division bench of this court is yet to be disposed of.
There is a finding recorded in the order of 11/5/2025, my lords, by the division bench that this matter is not similar to the division bench matter.
But then the last order said the same.
I've seen the submission. I've seen the submission, my lords. There's a finding recorded by the court, my lords, that it is not similar. That is my difficulty. I have to assist your lordships.
But then can this court review that order?
My lords, I will simply, your lordships may simply record at my prayer, my lords, that the matter is being adjourned, because it may not be proper on my part to say that, my lords, it is similar. Let it be on my prayer, my lords. Let it come up after 3
This is a case of 2021.
My lords.
The tender matter.
Tender matter.
What remains here?
No, my lords, it's continuous. Continuous. For a period of 10 years, my lords. Continuous. 3 weeks. On my prayer. Let it be on my prayer, my lords.
But then the order recorded by this court would remain, whatever it is. Anyway.
The difficulty is, my lords, there's a finding recorded by the division bench.
As prayed for the learned as prayed for by the learned senior counsel appearing with the petitioner, and not objected to by the learned senior counsel for the respondent. Oh, sorry, your DSGI or
no, for the private respondent.
For private respondent. Number 5.
For the respondent. This is matter after 3 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Item number 24.
Well, I'll make a similar prayer, my lords, if your lordships kindly have this matter after 2 weeks. Need some instructions on this matter, my lords.
This is also a tender matter.
No, my lords. This pertains to, my lords, some refund.
Subsidy.
My lords.
DGFT. This is the prayer made on behalf of the petitioner.
Whether this identical matter
Something has been disposed of.
Well, some identical matter has been disposed of. So, what are the, my lords? I'll seek instructions as to what.
By this court.
My lords.
Well.
May not by this bench, my lord. This bench.
Yes, straight for by the
I'll find out.
Yes, straight for the the learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner. Is this matter after 3 weeks?
3 weeks. Highly obliged.
Item number 30.